Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today I am going to sing a poem Robin for you from the book Oxford Modern English book 3. This poem is about a bird Robin. Here Robin said that we should always praise Allah for all these beautiful 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter and spring. And we always sing song. Here the meaning of sing a song mean that we should always thank to Allah and appreciate and praise to Allah because He bestowed us all these beautiful seasons. Here the meaning of seasons are whether the days are good or bad, we should always praise Allah. So in the first stanza, Robin sang sweetly. Robin ने गाना गाया. स्वीटली मीन इन अ प्लीजिंग मैनर, प्यारे अंदाज से, मीठे अंदाज से. रॉबिन ने गाना गाया बड़े ही प्यारे और सुरीले अंदाज से. व्हेन द डेज वर ब्राइट, व्हेन द डेज आर वेरी शाइनी, रॉबिन सैंग स्वीटली. थैंक्स फॉर समर, शुक्रिया गर्मियों के लिए. ही सैंग विद ऑल हिज माइट, ही सैंग इन विद ऑल हिज strength, power. So when the days were bright, Robin sang with all his strength and power and in a very pleasing manner, in a very happy mood, and thanked to Allah that He blessed us these beautiful bright days. In the next stanza, Robin sang sweetly. Robin ने गाना गाया प्यारे अंदाज से. In the autumn days, in these leaf falling days, there are fruits for everyone. हर एक के लिए इस इन ऑटम सीज़न में भी फ्रूट हैं, फल हैं. लेट ऑल गिव प्रेज, लेट ऑल गिव प्रेज और appreciate to Allah for these delicious fruits He blessed us. So in the third stanza, in the cold and wintry weather, इस ठंडे और सर्द मौसम में, still hear his song mean that in this cold and wintry, you know that in the wintry weather there is a snowfall, everyone confined into their houses, so they everyone should hear or remember the blessings of Allah. So always praise Allah, said Robin, because if we forget to appreciate the Allah's blessing, we will find that this wintry season will become so much long to us. So it is very important that we should, whether the days are not very good to us, we always thank to Allah for His great blessings. In the last and fourth stanza, when the spring came back again, जब spring दोबारा वापस आया, he sang, I told you so. Now the Robin became very happy again that, look, I told you that the spring, the good days will come. Keep on singing through the winter. Always keep singing throughout the winter. Mean in the bad days you continue your singing or always thank to Allah or appreciate to Allah for His blessings. It will always go, because the good days or bad days, this circle will remain go on. So must appreciate and thank to Allah for all these great blessings. So here is written anonymous. The word anonymous mean नामालूम, mean that this poem is written unknown poet. The poet of this poem is unknown. वो जिसने ये पोएम लिखी है वो उस शख्स का नाम जो है वो मालूम नहीं है. Now we will Now I will tell you words to know. The first word is autumn, the season before winter when leaves fall from the trees. ऐसा मौसम जो सर्दियों से पहले आता है और इस में दरख्तों से पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं, ये है ख़िज़ां का मौसम यानी ऑटम. देन द वर्ड इज़ माइट, ताकत, माइट ताकत, स्ट्रेंथ, प्रेज तारीफ, अप्रिशिएट, ऑफर थैंक्स थ्रू वर्शिप, विंट्री सर, कोल्ड लाइक द विंटर सीजन. सर्दियों जब मौसम बहुत सर्द होता है दैट इज़ विंट्री, like in wintry. Now this is the now I will sing poem for you. You also sing with me. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright, when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. He sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. In the autumn days, there are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise, let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long, or winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. He sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. It will always go. So this is the poem. Do practice it at home. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.